Hi, my name is José Antonio López de la Cruz. I am from group 101 of the first grade. And today I will explain in detail the procedure how to make an Oreo cookies recipe. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 cookies of Oreo, 3 quarters of a glass white milk, a glass white ice, chantilly. Process: crush the ice. Don't put the ungraced ice in the blender. Pour the crushed ice into the blender along with the milk, the cookies, and the 3 tablespoons of sugar. Cover the blender with the ingredients and begin to blend in a medium level. Once everything is blended, pour the liquid into a glass and decorate the top with chantilly. Now you have to enjoy your delicious recipe. This has been it for today. Thank you for watching the video.